time for this! Move already!
I'm gonna tax the Western Cullen Hayes mechanical bell. Oh, this is great news. Whoa. I'm gonna tax the W.C. Hazy bell. Oh, this is great news. Whoa. I'm gonna tax this SafeTran mechanical bell. Big, 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 my balls! Whoa! Whoa! I'm gonna tax this W.C. Hayes electronic bell. Oh my gosh, my nuts are coming on me.
I'm gonna tax this RS 3-liter.
Sensory is coming on clankers. Squish and Custo are coming right now.
Do you know why Glitchy and Blue Mist love to comb each other? Because they always do that. Don't you get it?
I'm gonna tax the Western Cullen Hayes bell. Oh, this is great news. Whoa!
I'm gonna tax this SafeTran mechanical bell. By the way, Glitchy is a foamer.
I'm gonna tax this General Signals electronic bell. LDD is a foamer! Whoa! What in the hell is Thomas doing here in Minnesota? See, Squish and Swiss cheese is in the files! Ohio! Fix your freaking logic in your state! What is this shit? Tax this traffic light. I found the Epstein files. It says that C-Squish is under rage. I love taxing railroad crossing signals. Oh, this is great news.